This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Tesla Model Y full guide. Place the key card on the center console and press the brake pedal to power up the car immediately. Use the Tesla mobile app or a paired key fob as alternatives when the key card is unavailable. Always check the dash for alerts and ensure the vehicle is in park before attempting to drive. Practice these steps slowly until they become second nature. Start by choosing your preferred entry method and confirm the car recognizes it. Enable phone key in the Tesla app, then approach to unlock automatically. Keep the key card in your wallet as a backup and tap the center console to pair. For a key fob, sync it through controls and follow on-screen prompts. Always verify doors lock and unlock before leaving the vehicle again. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: try the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control. It keeps your floors clear so you can focus on Tesla setup without stepping on crumbs. It maps rooms intelligently and saves time easily during pre-drive checks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks everyone, now let's get back to the video. With the car powered, press the brake and shift into drive or reverse using the touchscreen or stalk. Review driving modes like chill or sport to match your comfort and efficiency goals. Adjust mirrors, seat, and steering before moving, and confirm autopilot settings if you plan to use driver assistance. Begin slowly in a safe area until you feel comfortable with regenerative braking and instant torque response practice today regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.